Good morning. This video is about how to get to the Britannica resources for the assignment, the reading assignment that you should start today or tomorrow. So what you can see here is we've got our Canvas page open, and on this side we've got Britannica School, and so click that open. You should see this top screen. Here you want to click Launch Packs. Now, if it has you sign in and you're not quite sure what the codes are, I have put that in the Reading Metamorphic Rocks and Rock Cycle assignment. So you want to dig that out. If it doesn't make you sign in, or because it just came through our school connection, then go ahead and hit this button called Launch Packs. Once this opens, you want to make sure you're in science. I think when you first open, it'll default to social studies. So come over here and it says switch launch packs. And it'll say switch to launch packs science. You want to click that. But I'm already there, so I'm going to leave it right here. What you have here is a whole bunch of resources around science topics. And what's really cool about this resource is that they'll pull together articles, images, and maybe even video to help explore these topics. Um, and so gives you a bit of choice on how you learn the material. Um, so that's kind of why I like this. So first thing you need to do is filter by grade level. So click that button, select grades 9 to 12. And then in this case, this is going to be specific filter by category, and you want to go down here to Earth's surface. Now what you'll see is this Earth Science, all these different cards here, which reveal to you all these different things that we have been learning in this unit around rocks and minerals and rocks change. So scroll down until you find metamorphic rock. It may be in a different place for you, just depending on your screen, but you want to click that open because that'll help you on the first part of the questions I have for you. And then what you're going to notice here is that you have lots of different resources here. You have article resources. This one you want to read. Notice that the article resources have choice in reading level, grades 9 to 12, 6 to 8, and grade 5. Don't worry about the grades. I wish it actually didn't have those identified, because what you want to do is want to make sure that you can find something that will you can access. So if you have to read at a level 1, please do so. If you have to read at a level 2, go for it. And you'll be fine on finding that information. We've got a couple videos I do want you to watch. So this video, which makes sense, and it'll show up in the next the set as well. And then this Carrera Marble video, I think you'll like. Um, the article also has a reading level of 3 and 2 if you wanted to take a look and more about how limestone changes into this amazing resource, but I think you'll like the video. You've got some images of different types of rocks that we have been, that we're talking about now, these rocks that igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks get changed into through processes of heat and pressure and sometimes chemicals, but it's mostly heat and pressure. Um, or heat caused by pressure, I guess is even a better way to say it. Um, so the next one you want to find, if I go back here, and this is written up in the top of the assignment instructions in Canvas, is the rock cycle. Now, there's a lot of stuff in the rock cycle that also pulls together the different types of rocks we've been studying, like igneous and sedimentary. It also talks about weathering and erosion. And so I like this set in the sense that this might also help you work on the, the next assignment for this week, following this one. Definitely what this is a video that repeats itself. So if you didn't watch it in the last set, you can watch it here. And you definitely want to watch this video. Watch this video, take notes. I think that's good. Okay. Remember, when you're taking notes on this assignment, that you're summarizing the words that you're reading, not copying and pasting those words, because you gotta, it's a skill that you have to build. Let me know if you run into any problems with this, but I think that should get you started. All right, take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye.